Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Hydrastis. Full name Hydrastis CANADENSIS. Short name Hydrastis. Common name orange root or golden seal. Source plant vegetable world. Pathogenesis of Hydrastis. Acting on mucous membrane, Hydrastis produces a thick, yellowish, ropy, stringy, viscid secretion anywhere in the body, along with a malignant and cachectic dyscrasia of the system. Constitution of Hydrastis: Scrofulous, suited to old, easily tired, cachectic person with great debility, broken down by alcoholism, with jaundiced, mottled, puckered skin and yellowish white color of the face. Relation with heat and cold: Indeterminate. Temperament: lymphatic temperament. Miasm: all the three. Diathesis: cancerous diathesis. Hydrastis is a small medicine, not too much symptom is there, but it's a very strong medicine. Very strong medicine. Many malignant conditions can be tackled with Hydrastis. Mental journals of Hydrastis: depression, sure of death, and they desire it really. Forgetful. Physical journals of Hydrastis: acts on mucous membrane causing catarrh, produces hemorrhage and ulceration. Catarrh may be anywhere, characterized by thick yellow acrid ropy discharge. Mucus found in urine, stool, lung. Thus it is also known as mucous remedy. The black portion is the characteristic symptom of this remedy. It produces atonic, cachectic, degenerative condition. Hence suitable in old, easily tired, weak person with debility and emaciation. Sense of raw burning, cancer and precancerous states. Goiter of puberty. Goiter of puberty. Mind it, this is the lady who has been suffering from goiter in his puberty age. This is very important. Goiter of puberty and also during pregnancy. When given internally, externally, modifies the course of pox, smallpox infection or any other type of pox. If it is given in low potency, it given internally and over the small ulcers that form during pox, or you can say it the swelling. You can give it externally also. Same other tincture of this thing. It will act favorably. Frequent faint spell with profuse perspiration. Clothing feel uncomfortable about groin. General modalities Hydrastis: worse. Inhaling air, cold hair, dry wind, open hair, slight bleeding, washing, touch, old age, motion. Better from pressure. Head symptom of Hydrastis: neuralgia of head and neck. Eczema on forehead along the line of hairs. Note, along the line of hairs of the forehead, eczema. Eye symptoms of Hydrastis: ophthalmia, thick yellow mucus discharge. This is ophthalmia, not a very good picture. There is no pus formation or mucus formation, and in ophthalmia the inflammation is much more, because ophthalmia means whole eye inflammation. It is somewhat conjunctivitis, but I could not procure a good image, so I have given it. Mind it, the inflammation should be much more in ophthalmia. It is some sort of conjunctivitis. Ear symptom of Hydrastis: otorrhea, thick mucus discharge, roaring, deafness from Eustachian cutter. Eustachian, Eustachian canal is the connectivity between throat and second chamber of the ear. Nose symptom of Hydrastis: sore, bleeds, rooty crusts, bloody crusts, sore, bleeds and bloody crust. Ozena. Ozena is a destructive disease of nose. It is actually syphilitic disease. Post-nasal dripping, that is, we know that nose has got two openings: anterior opening, posterior opening. Posterior opening is throat. In the throat, from nose some mucus comes. This is called nasal dripping. Air feels cold in nose, blows all the time. Sinusitis with coryza. Sinusitis, sinus, sinus, this is generally the sinus, two sinus are on the forehead, two on the just above the face, just above the mouth. There are 6 sets of, and internally also. This sinusitis is important in hydrastis also. Sinusitis after coryza. After coryza, sinusitis comes. Face symptoms of hydrastis: thin, yellow, sunken, cancer on lips. Cancer, hydrastis is a good medicine for cancer and ulcers. Mouth symptom of hydrastis: tongue, white, yellow, dirty, swollen, large, flabby, slimy with imprints of teeth, just like marks all. Feels as if scalded, taste is bitter, aphthous ulcers. Stomatitis of nursing mother, weakly children, bleeding, cancerous growth on hard palate. Hard palate, in the mouth port over the tongue, the hard palate is there. Third symptom of hydrastis: follicular pharyngitis. Note this picture on the right hand side. There are small follicles. You have to note carefully that there are follicles. Here are also follicles. This is follicular pharyngitis. Hawk up yellow tenacious mucus. Bleeds of nose, nausea. Sneezing. Stomach symptoms of hydrastis: gun feeling in stomach with loathing of food. Sensation of a sharp lump in stomach. Ulcer and cancer. I've already mentioned ulcer and cancer. This is cancer liver, and this is atrophy of liver. This symptom will come. Cannot eat vegetables in bread. Painful epigastric tumor with pulsation. Apt to vomit everything except milk. Abdomen symptoms hydrastis: cutting pain from liver to right scapula. Worse, lying on back or right side. Atrophy or cancer of liver. This is atrophy of liver. In atrophy, the liver contracts, getting smaller. It is cancerous. It's a completely different type of disease. Cancer of liver. Jaundice, piles, even slight bleeding, exhausts. Lumpy stool coated or mixed with mucus, obstinate constipation of pregnancy after purgatives. After purgatives taking for a long time, some constipation comes. In that case, hydrastis helps a lot. Ross marting in rectum during stool, remaining long after. Pain in groins as if sprained. Urinary symptoms hydrastis: mucus in urine, gritty discharge, thick, yellow, putrid odor of urine. This gritty, thick, yellow, these are the cachectic symptom of hydrastis. I have already mentioned that hydrastis mucus are like this: yellowish, thick, stringy. Neck and back symptom of hydrastis: neuralgia of neck, dull, dragging, heavy pain across the lumbar region, the waist area, along the spine. Uses arm to raise self from a seat. Cannot raise by the pressure of legs only. He has to use his arms also. Respiratory symptoms of hydrastis: bronchitis of old exhausted people. Look at this picture. Bronchitis of old exhausted people. Loose cough, bloody, thick, yellowish sputum. Raise much mucus. Breathing difficult, worse lying on left side. Female symptoms of hydrastis: erosion of cervix. Thick, acrid, yellow, ropy leukorrhea. Pruritus valvi with profuse leukorrhea with sexual excitement. Cancer of breast, nipple, sore, retracted, cracked in nursing women. Retraction of nipple is a very bad type of disease, mind it. Because generally nipples are not retracted. Healthy nipple doesn't retract. Menorrhagia and metrorrhagia with fibroids. Menorrhagia means profuse menstruation and metrorrhagia means abnormal bleeding from uterus. Mind this, the two terms are different. Meno means maximum, profuse, but that is menstruation, that is normal. But metrorrhagia is not normal, it is abnormal bleeding from uterus. Other than menses. Remove the tendency of habitual adherent placenta. This is a problem of mothers, that is mothers while in parturitions during delivery of children. Some patient used to get this disease. Placenta are always adhered. Adhered means attached. That is a difficult disease, difficult problem. So that tendency is removed by hydrastis. Vagina sore during coition, bleeding after. Pain in right breast on sneezing, hot watery discharge from uterus. Heart symptom hydrastis. Palpitation from slowly progressive weakness. Fever symptom hydrastis. Heat alternating with chill, profuse perspiration. Skin symptom hydrastis. Eruption like smallpox, cancerous ulcers, atonic ulcers from removal of tumors. And related medicine, arsenic calibicrum pulsatilla. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. Any problem, as usual, write down in the comments. I would certainly attend.